They say Quick Effect Coating Agent is the new magic product that every car owner should try in 2026. A spray that promises instant shine, real protection, water-repelling effects, and even scratch improvement with almost no effort. It sounds impressive, it sounds easy, and it sounds like something everyone would want. But does it actually work? Or is it just another product selling big promises without real results? At first glance, everything looks convincing. Quick Effect Coating Agent is promoted with clean visuals, before and after photos, shiny cars, and videos where people spray it on, and suddenly the paint looks brand new. The branding is simple, the instructions are easy, and the product page makes you feel like you'll get professional results in minutes. And of course, that grabs attention, because who doesn't want their car to look amazing with zero work? But here's where doubts start. Every year, there are dozens of miracle spray coatings that promise ceramic-level protection, long-term durability, and scratch repair. And most of the time, they don't deliver even half of what the ads show. So the question is simple. Is Quick Effect Coating Agent any different? People online are completely divided. Some users say the shine really appears instantly, that the surface feels smoother, and that water slides off beautifully the first few days. They say it makes the car look cleaner, deeper, and glossier. And for them, the product was worth it. But others tell a very different story. They say the shine fades quickly, the hydrophobic layer barely lasts, the spray leaves streaks, and the scratch repair doesn't actually repair anything. Many people say it works more like a basic spray wax instead of real ceramic coating. The biggest complaint is always the same. The results don't last. People say it looks good right after application, but after a few washes, the effect disappears. And that's because products like this usually use simple polymers, not true ceramic materials that bond with the paint. In other words, you're getting a temporary cosmetic shine, not a real protective layer. Another thing users point out is the marketing. The ads make it seem like you're getting professional detailer results, but the product behaves like something anyone can buy at a supermarket. It's not dangerous, it's not fake, but it's nowhere near as powerful as the videos suggest. And that's exactly why some buyers feel misled. Then comes the scratch issue, Quick Effect. Coating Agent claims it can improve light scratches, but most users say they didn't see any real difference. At best, the shine makes the scratch look less visible for a short time, but it doesn't repair anything. True scratch correction requires polishing, not spraying. So is Quick Effect. Coating Agent real or not? Yes, it's real in the sense that it does make your car shiny and smooth for a short period of time. But no, it doesn't replace ceramic coating, it doesn't give deep protection, and it doesn't fix scratches the way the ads imply. It's a quick cosmetic enhancer, not a professional solution. My verdict: Quick Effect Coating Agent is not a scam, but it's definitely overhyped. If what you want is a fast shine for photos, events, or a temporary refresh, this spray can do the job. But if you want real long-lasting protection or real scratch correction, this product will not meet your expectations. It's fine for quick shine, not fine for serious results. Use it knowing what it can and cannot do. If this video helped you understand what Quick Effect Coating Agent really offers, make sure to like, comment, or share so others know the truth before buying. Stay smart, stay informed, and don't fall for dramatic before and after ads in 2026.